Nick Venditti, what's your view of the muni market right now? We have a steeper yield curve than last year, so how are you playing it?
Well, at Thornburg Investment Management and our limited term municipal fund, we're actually looking at the market this year as much more attractive compared to where it was last year. As you said, there is a steep yield curve, which is something we didn't see last year. Absolute yields are higher than they were last year. And so the way we're playing it is we run laddered portfolios in all of our core portfolios, including the limited term fund. We're taking advantage of that steepness by investing along the longer rungs of that portfolio's ladder. So we're seeing real value in the 8, 9, and 10-year space.
And it seems like everyone in the muni world is watching Detroit to see if the courts favor the pension holders over the bondholders. What's your view? How are you handicapping that decision? And what does it mean for the whole muni bond community?
So that's the big question. Who's going to win, or are we going to be treated equally? If bondholders and pension holders are treated equally, that's a huge win for the muni market. The real risk is that pension holders are treated better to the detriment of bondholders. If that were to happen, communities across the nation, municipalities, issuers, any issuer who has a large pension expense relative to general fund expenses could be in trouble, both from a pricing standpoint. It may be more expensive for them to issue debt as investors see that risk now and want to be compensated for it. And from just a general issuance standpoint, they're going to have a lot more difficult time accessing the market at the rating level they're at now.
Well, Puerto Rico just accessed the market, and if you want to get compensated, they're paying around 8%. Would you want any part of those bonds?
We do not own Puerto Rico in any of our funds. We took a long, hard look at the new deal. We were uncomfortable with the supposed security that was created. We really believe at Thornburg that the only solution to Puerto Rico's problem is a restructuring. It's not an if question, it's a when.
All right, and then finally, what's your favorite type of bond right now? GO, sewer bond, revenue bond? Tell me what would the ideal bond for you to be right now?
So at Thornburg Investment Management, we really pride ourselves as bottom-up fundamental credit research analysts. And so what we're looking at is relative value across the spectrum. So I don't focus particularly on any one individual sector. I will look at them all and try to identify the best value for the risk we're taking.
All right, thanks a lot, Nick.
Thank you so much, I appreciate it.
Thank you for watching The Street.